Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp. First up, we have the Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp, an extraordinary modular lighting solution that brings your creative ideas to life. This unique ARGB desktop setup allows you to combine 3 different lighting modules into endless combinations, giving you endless possibilities. Create beautiful lighting effects for your music and games, or use it as a digital clock or emoji display. This lamp offers you the ability to synchronize your lights with your favorite screen content, immersing you in stunning, customizable ambiance. Not only is it incredibly versatile, but it's also a great conversation starter, bringing character and a personalized touch to any room. Design the perfect lighting arrangement for your home with the Yeelight Cube. TopWork Workstation. Next, we've got the TopWork Workstation, a powerhouse setup for your productivity needs. This hub includes 11 ports that allow you to connect a wide range of peripherals, such as monitors, drives, and mobile devices, all at full data transfer speeds. With a PD100W charging Type-C port, you can charge your devices quickly and efficiently. The 3.5mm audio jack offers clear audio for movies and video conferences, while HDMI and VGA ports support simultaneous dual-screen expansion for a seamless workflow. The built-in Type-C cable and wireless charging pad help keep your workspace tidy and clutter-free. You can easily adjust the angle of your workstation to 4 comfortable positions for the best working posture. At just $99, the TopWork Workstation provides incredible value for enhancing your productivity and creating an efficient workspace. weedgets Maze X Glass Bowl Pipe. Introducing the weedgets Maze X Glass Bowl Pipe, the perfect companion for a smoother smoking experience. With its patented coughless technology, it filters and cools smoke to provide a safer and more enjoyable hit. This pipe's removable mouth tip enables safer sharing and functions as a joint filter. The borosilicate glass bowl is washable and reusable, resistant to extreme temperatures and difficult to burn. The Maze X's medical-grade silicone body ensures excellent heat resistance, while the anodized aircraft-grade aluminum handle offers cooler, smoother smoke. Customers love its easy-to-clean design, making it a favorite at $79.20. Coolper Intelligent Cooling and Heating Device. If you find it frustrating when your coffee cools too quickly or your milkshake melts, you need Coolper. This intelligent cooling and heating device keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature without the need for a refrigerator or heater. Coolper uses world-class Peltier thermoelectric silent semiconductor technology for efficient and rapid heat transfer. The silicone non-slip tabletop provides stable positioning, while the airtight silicone cup lid ensures leak-proof security, even when you hit bumps or potholes. For vehicle owners, the retractable base adapts to all vehicle cup holders, keeping your beverages cool or warm even in the car. At just $49, Coolper is your ideal companion for enjoying your favorite drinks on the go. Sunrise Alarm Clock. Next, let's talk about the Sunrise Alarm Clock, a must-have for a serene and peaceful wake-up experience. This clock's sunrise simulation light and 7 natural sounds gradually activate, increasing from 10% to 100% brightness over 30 minutes. The gradual awakening helps you ease into your day, making mornings more pleasant and less stressful. Choose from a variety of natural sounds such as birds chirping or ocean waves, creating a calming start to your day. The Sunrise Alarm Clock ensures a gentle and refreshing awakening, making mornings enjoyable. Grabo Pro-Lifter. If you work with various materials, you need the Grabo Pro-Lifter. This revolutionary electric suction cup features a vacuum pump that makes lifting materials a breeze. The digital display provides real-time data, including load capacity and battery life. With a 170-kilogram load capacity, this lifter can handle metal, glass, ceramics, wood, and more. A full battery offers up to 900 cycles or 90 minutes of continuous work. Priced at $300, it's a worthwhile investment for professionals and DIYers alike.
Hatch Restore. Next, we have Hatch Restore, an alarm clock that imitates the sunrise. It helps you wake up gently with both sound and light. The creators claim that after 2 weeks of use, 59% of users reported reduced stress levels and 24% felt more energetic. This alarm clock comes with a variety of settings, such as adjustable brightness and light shade, as well as a library of nature sounds. Compatible with Android and iOS phones, it also functions as a nightlight. Get yours for $130. Artētype Mechanical Antimicrobial Keyboard. Upgrade your workspace with the Artētype Mechanical Antimicrobial Keyboard. Featuring an antimicrobial coating with a 25% active silver-based formula, this keyboard protects you from harmful microbes on its surface. Its IP54 rating ensures dust-proof and splash-proof capabilities, while Gateron brown or blue mechanical keys offer a tactile, satisfying typing experience. The wireless design seamlessly connects to both Mac and Windows devices. The integrated tablet holder keeps your iPad within easy reach, making multitasking a breeze. Customize your workspace with full-color adjustable backlights and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable typing experience. Nanoleaf Lines Squared. Create a stunning lighting setup with the Nanoleaf Lines Squared color-changing LED bars. These innovative modular bars offer RGB illumination in a unique form factor, boasting over 16 million colors and dynamic lighting animations. Use these bars to add a modern, artistic touch to your bedroom, living room, or gaming setup. Advanced features like the rhythm music visualizer and screen mirror provide immersive experiences. Installing these bars is a breeze with adhesive mounting tapes, no tools required. Elevate your lighting game by transforming music and movies into a visual light show with Nanoleaf Lines Squared. The Boring Lamp Universal Smart Lights. Meet the Boring Lamp Universal Smart Light, an all-in-one device for your lighting needs. This multi-purpose gadget serves as a desk lamp, monitor light bar, ambient light, and even a handheld light sword. The modular magnetic design allows for easy installation, disassembly, and customization. Adjust the lamp's height and angle as needed to perfectly illuminate your space. Equipped with 60 high-quality LED beads and stepless dimming technology, you can adjust the color temperature from 3200K to 5200K for optimal ambiance. Enhance your workspace or home with the Boring Lamp. NOMVDIC X300 Smart Portable Speaker and Projector. Take the NOMVDIC X300 Smart Portable Speaker and Projector with you wherever you go. This 2-in-1 device combines impressive audio technology with a 100-inch full HD projection, making it perfect for movies, gaming, or presentations. Designed in partnership with Harman Kardon, the NOMVDIC X300 features integrated speakers and dual sets of tweeters and woofers, powered by a 30-watt Class D amplifier for clear, immersive sound. It offers ultra-high contrast and 3D Blu-ray support for an exceptional viewing experience. Its built-in battery, cable-free design, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity ensure you can enjoy entertainment wherever you are. Razer Blade 14 Gaming Laptop. Level up your gaming experience with the Razer Blade 14 gaming laptop. This powerful device combines incredible AI capabilities with a sleek design, making it a must-have for serious gamers. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor reaching speeds up to 5.2 GHz and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card, the Razer Blade 14 delivers stunning graphics and smooth gameplay. Its QHD+ 240 Hz 1610 edge-to-edge display provides high pixel density, fast refresh rates, and low response times. The laptop is precision milled from a single aluminum block, offering durability and a lightweight build. Enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life, with the ability to reach 80% battery in just 1 hour of charging. Elevate your gaming setup with the Razer Blade 14.
OXFOE. Sasnao's one. Take your commuting experience to the next level with the OXFOE OX1 Fold and Roll e-bike. Weighing only 16.5 kilograms, this compact e-bike is easy to handle and transport. Its unibody frame features a sleek straight-line design, while the joyful blue color adds a touch of fun. With a range of up to 135 kilometers, you can handle daily trips to the office and back with ease. The magnesium alloy parts provide durability, while the high-end specifications ensure a smooth ride. Whether you're traveling or commuting, the OXFOE OX1 is your perfect companion, offering a stylish and reliable ride.